Hey guys, before we get started decorating my master bedroom and bath, I just wanted to let you know that my niece Tracy has started her own YouTube channel. Her and her fiance are working on renovating a country mobile home and maybe working on a barn towards a barn dominium. In the meantime, in between, she has some really cute decorating ideas. She decorates tomato cage trees in an old vintage tub. And look there, Miss Daisy, her cat, watches every move she makes. It is so funny. So go over and say hi to my niece, Tracy, and give her some love and hugs and let her know that I sent you over to her channel, and maybe you can get some inspiration and some ideas decorating for the holidays. You can find her link in the description box below. Now let's move forward with some decorating. Welcome back, and if you're new here, my name's Rebecca. Welcome to my home. This is the last of my decorating series in the master bedroom and bath. Now, you know that I had put the red check in here last year, but for this year I wanted to tone it down a little. I have some red ribbon. I have all of these ornaments that I have on hand. The star topper was thrifted at a Goodwill. I just loved it. It matched my other stuff. These little birds was something that I made, and I'll link that video in the description box if you want to learn how to make those. But this is how the tree all turned out. I didn't use everything that I showed you, but most of it. They're not twinkle lights on the tree, but for some reason my camera is picking that up. So sorry about the flashes there. You can see now that it sort of calmed down. This is how my tree, I got a King of Christmas flocked slim tree for the bedroom last year, and I put that up again this year. And I just love King of Christmas, how thick the branches are on these trees. And I have fluffed many trees for this season, including out on the front porch. If you missed that video, that's the last one. I have some new bedding. The chunky blanket was one that I made. These pillow covers is from Amazon. The Merry Christmas was from Kirkland's years ago. And this is my new item, the Levtex Winter Sleigh Ride Quilt Set. And it's 100% cotton. I love it. It's got a red check on the other side. And it's just so soft. And I will put the link below for that, or in the product description. I got it from Target. I don't remember what the price was. I got it a while back. I didn't want to change out my curtains. I want to keep things a little neutral in here with just a pop of red on my bedding and on the tree. In the bathroom, I didn't do a whole lot. I just put a vase with some red frosted berries and a new little lamp that I picked up on vacation down in Tennessee. The rug you see in the bathroom was one that I ordered from Amazon years ago, and I brought it back out and used it this year. So this is how it all turns out. Now wait till the end of the video. Some of you requested to see a lamp in the last bedroom, and I'll have that at the end of the video, so enjoy, and thank you for being here. Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. You're a blessing to my channel, and I thank each and every one of you for your support and your kind comments. Look for my home tour. It is coming up here soon. Enjoy the rest of the video to some music.